Mind-blowing facts about drones and their applications. Welcome to our video on mind-blowing facts about drones and their applications. Drones are no longer just toys for kids, but they have revolutionized the way we live, work, and even fight wars. They have made our lives easier, safer, and more efficient in various fields. Today, we will be sharing with you 10 amazing facts about drones and their applications that will leave you amazed. Fact 1. Drone technology dates back to World War I. Drones are not a new invention. They have been around for over a century. The first recorded use of drone technology dates back to 1917. During World War I, they were used to take aerial photographs of enemy territory, which helped in the development of war strategies. Fact 2. Drones can be used for search and rescue missions. Drones have proven to be lifesavers in search and rescue missions. They can be used in areas that are difficult to access, such as mountainous regions or rough seas, to locate missing persons or survivors. With thermal cameras, drones can detect body heat and even provide real-time images of the area. Fact 3. Drones are used in agriculture for crop monitoring. Drones have become an essential tool in the agricultural industry. They can monitor crop health, detect crop diseases, and even spray pesticides or fertilizers on crops. This technology has helped farmers reduce costs, increase yields, and make better decisions. Fact 4. Drones are used in construction for surveying and monitoring progress. Construction companies use drones to survey job sites, track progress, and identify potential safety hazards. With high-resolution cameras and 3D mapping, drones can provide accurate data that can be used in designing and planning projects. Fact 5. Drones can be used for wildlife conservation. Drones are also used for wildlife conservation efforts. They can be used to track and monitor animal populations, collect data on their habitats, and even deter poachers. This technology has helped conservationists to protect endangered species and prevent illegal wildlife trade. Fact 6. Drones are used in the film industry for aerial cinematography. Drones have transformed the film industry by providing unique perspectives and stunning aerial shots. With high-definition cameras and smooth stabilization systems, drones can capture breathtaking footage that was once impossible to achieve. Fact 7. Drones are used in the delivery industry. Drones are now being used for delivery services, especially in remote areas. Companies like Amazon and Google are testing drones that can deliver packages directly to customers' doors, cutting down delivery times and costs. Fact 8. Drones can be used for weather forecasting. Drones are also used in weather forecasting. They can collect data on temperature, humidity, wind speed, and other weather parameters. This technology has helped meteorologists to make accurate predictions and track severe weather conditions. Fact 9. Drones are used in the military for surveillance and attack missions. Drones have become a vital tool in the military for surveillance and attack missions. They can be used to gather intelligence, locate targets, and even launch airstrikes. This technology has helped reduce the risk of human casualties in warfare. Fact 10. Drones are used in space exploration. Drones have even been used in space exploration. NASA has used drones to explore Mars and other planets in our solar system. They can fly in environments where traditional rovers cannot reach and collect valuable data. There you have it, 10 mind-blowing facts about drones and their applications. Drones have made a significant impact on various industries and have changed the way we live and work. As technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more exciting applications for drones in the future. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe to our channel for more.